Hello, what's up mga kasopa? It's Super Amazing is here again. So, meron tayong bagong gadgets. Yay! So, tipid-tipid muna. Dito na lang muna tayo sa DJI Mini Clip. Hindi pa natin kayang bumili ng DJI Mic 3 or Mic 2. So, dito na lang muna yung budget natin. So, pero sa review, okay na okay pa rin to. Alright. So this one is combo. Meron na siyang mga accessories na kasama. Meron siyang windscreen. So meron na din charging case. Alright, open na natin. May kasama na siyang pouch. Nice. So, kailangan ko mag-practice ng magandang voice over nito. Alright. Kailangan kong mag-practice ng English. So, nandito yung kanyang windscreen. 4-piece na windscreen. At ang kanyang charging case. Cords and silica gel as always. So tingnan natin yung mismong mic. So this one is mini, the cheapest one. Ito siya. Ito yung kanyang charging for C-type. So may seal pa siya. Buksan natin. Yan, ito pala, yung dilaw pala, ito na yung isisil mo. Yan. Then push here, push the button here, boom, ito na siya. Ayos. So cute. Wow, it's so cute guys. So pwedeng lagay dito, pwedeng lagay dito. So dalawa to siya, 2 pairs at kanyang transmitter. I think this one is the transmitter. So i-practice ko ba kung paano to gamitin. It's my first time to use microphone. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.